If you are dealing with a leaky P-trap or copper drain pipe in a tough spot, today's video is for you. We are going to show you how to use Epoxy 20 to fix those tricky plumbing problems and get your pipe sealed tight. No need for a full replacement, which will save you time and money. Here's the situation. We have got P-trap, and you're going to see copper drain pipe at the end of the video, both with leaks in tough to reach spots. Both materials are common in plumbing, but hard to reach spots can make repairs a headache. That's why Epoxy 20 comes in. Epoxy 20 is two-part adhesive that works great. It's perfect when you need quick fix and don't want to deal with the hassle of replacing pipes. Here's how to use it. Start by mixing both parts equally to harden. Thoroughly mix them together to create strong bond. Once epoxy is mixed, you can begin applying it to the affected areas. You can see the leak here around the joint. Apply the epoxy directly over the cracked area. Be sure to press the mixture into gap to ensure it fills the crack completely. Once applied, smooth it out to cover the leak. Epoxy 20 starts setting quickly, so you won't have to wait long before it begins to harden. Approximately takes 20 minutes. Next, we'll move to the copper drain pipe. This one is a tough spot too, but Epoxy 20 will handle it just as well. Apply the mixed epoxy to the crack in the copper pipe again, cover the area thoroughly, and press it into the crack for secure seal. Once both pipes are sealed, let the epoxy cure for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will want to let it sit long enough for a strong, durable bond, but don't worry, it sets pretty quickly. And just like that, you have got a leak-free setup. The epoxy forms a strong, waterproof seal, saving you time and money without the need for replacing the entire P-trap or drain pipe. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching.